Morning, guys. I left last week's video off with a hint on going to get some paint and some painter's tape and stuff like that. Well, still gotta find my painter's tape, but we're gonna find some of that. We got a lot of chrome and everything that we need to mask off because I don't want to paint over it. But the idea is this is plain Jane, and before we put Poppy's patina on this thing, we need some color. So that's the idea. We need to get the S&S sticker off and the more LS swap sticker off. We need to get those off. And, I'm not a big sticker guy, so when we go to put those back on, we're going to actually paint them on. So we will paint those over the poppies, just in case the next person that buys this thing doesn't want that on there. So, kind of the idea. Anyways, I'm going to find some tape. We're going to get this thing taped off and hopefully get some paint when they open. All right, I think we got everything taped off as well as we need to. Next is we're going to paint her. So, here we go. All right, so we found some Rust-Oleum. This is about the closest to a classical color that I could find. And we did go matte because, we're going to be wet sanding this, and then once we put the poppies, it's actually going to be pretty glossy anyways. So, yeah, this is a satin blue, and I think it's going to pop. It's going to be cool. So, that's what we're going to focus on, is try and get all the areas that are painted. We're just going to try and touch those up. And then what we're going to focus on to leave alone is going to be basically anywhere that it would be sun bleached. So usually all your creases, they're going to be further down into the paint because they've been constantly hit by the sun. So really we're just going to worry about all the pieces that are not directly in the sun. Now we are going to hit these a little bit. You'll be able to see it pop through a lot more though. And hopefully get this looking good. Jimmy, I am sorry. I know that you told me just do one spot, but we're gonna Bob Ross the shit out of this and just make a bunch of little happy accidents. Think, buddy. What color is it? Blue? Yeah, she's blue, all right. Looks like a Smurf. Huh? Or Stitch, whichever one. Kind of like Stitch, actually. Yeah, it looks like a Smurf. Hey, can you say Stitch? Yeah? We might have found the name for it. I'm not sure yet. No, we'll call the car Stitch. Anyways, we're getting this thing painted. I'm going to get a little bit more on the rockers now that I'm looking at that. And then we're going to start sanding on this puppy. It's going to look good, guys. Okay, so I got some sandpaper here. We have 320, which is kind of a little more aggressive than what we need. But that'll be able to really get down on some spots that we want to get bare. And then we got 400. To finish it off, I didn't get 1,000 grit. I meant to get 1,000 grit, but I didn't. So, we're going to see if we can do a 400, and then I also got Scotch-Brite. So, let's find out. this looks. Well, I'm covered in a bunch of paint, look kind of like a Smurf, but I'm proud of this. It looks damn good. That turned out beautiful. Golly, guys. Now it is wet right now, so to be honest with you, it should be a little bit more glossy whenever I get that Poppy's Patina put on here. I haven't got it yet, but it is on the way. Man, oh man, does that look good. Whew, got some lightning out here. Wow. It's awesome, guys. Anyways, I'm gonna get all this crap picked up because looks like we got some lightning coming. So, anyways, again, golly, that turned out great. I was contemplating it last night, laying in bed. I was like, man, I don't know what I'm gonna do. So I threw some stuff on old Chat GTP and looked it over, and wow, I'm very satisfied with it. What's up, guys? All right, we are back. Wow, still looks so good. Again, though, it's gonna look better cleared. And cool thing is I have Poppy's Patina sitting on my kitchen counter right now. So that's gonna be next week's video. We're gonna be clearing this car. So be a two-part deal. This one we're actually gonna patina everything, and then next one we will clear coat over it. So that's the idea. Today though, we are going to add some sorry, I'm trying to open this tripod. We're gonna add a lot of, I guess, kind of, I don't know what to call it, residue, I guess. We want it to look a little older than what it is. So we'll be doing that with some black and a lot of kind of like a primer rust color. So that's what we're kind of going for. But yeah, we're gonna try it out. All right, so this is basically the whole front section here on this car, or on this side, I guess. I think it turned out super, super cool. It really gives accents to the doors, all the jambs and everything. I haven't done the back half yet, so we will do that. But this side, I think, is done. Looks super, super awesome. I'm loving this so far. So, anyways, we'll get to that tomorrow. You ready to go take a bath?
I don't want to take bath.
Well, I think we got this thing whooped. It looks great. Pretty immaculate. So, let's take a look. I really think adding all the accents to everything just turned out super, super awesome. Also got the KC light covers on. So, yeah, I'm very, very satisfied with this. I think it turned out pretty, pretty freaking amazing. So yeah, it's pretty sweet. Now I do plan on, like I said, I plan on clearing this on Saturday. Fortunately, I do have a shop that I'm able to do that in. Finley's is willing to let me use their building for Saturday, and we're gonna put some time in on this thing Saturday, getting it prepped and cleaned, and I really want to get it shot with clear. So, and that'll be a whole video itself. I want to be able to show you guys the whole process of it, and kind of really show you what great, like how great of a product it is, because it's gonna bring out a lot of colors in this that we probably don't even see now. So I do look forward to that. Yeah, I got a ton of hours in this already. Friday night I was laying down thinking about it, and I was like, man, I want to do something to make it pop. Well, it does now. So I know this isn't everybody's cup of tea, but I'm the one drinking it. So at the end of the day, I love it. That's what matters. So other than that, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and hang it up for now. This is it for this week. Should be a hell of a video. I love it. Anyways, as always, I appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the next one. All right, you want to tell them bye?
Bye.
Knuckles. Boom, boom.